Introducing the Ewheels EW-M49 electric folding wheelchair. This state-of-the-art luxury wheelchair has over 25 features, which propels it into a category all its own, starting with a powerful motor and full-size 12-inch rear wheels. Comfort is king when it comes to the EW-M49, and this versatile wheelchair comes equipped with dual adjustable folding armrests and a reclining backrest. The adjustable headrest is easy to set or remove, and front shock absorbers allow for a much smoother ride when traveling on rough surfaces. Another special feature of the EW-M49 is its interactive digital screen, which allows the rider to quickly and easily change wheelchair settings with the simple push of a button. The EW-M49 also comes with a removable lithium-ion battery for long-lasting and reliable runtime. Traveling with the EW-M49 is made even more convenient with its foldable footrest and easy fold release that locks everything securely into place. The EW-M49 also has the ability to switch into free roll mode by simply releasing the rear hub lock or the free roll lever. The Ewheels EW-M49 electric folding wheelchair. Start your adventure today.